Right now, I do have a timer. If you guys notice, I put the timer on my refrigerator. I have a minute and 15 seconds to go to it. Today, we're going to bring a digital timer. If you guys can see, there's a beautiful little timer. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send it out for us to review. So let's take a look at it and see what you get. First of all, this is a Type-C connection. There's no battery necessarily. They're built-in lithium batteries already. There's a couple modes that you should know about it. So right now, if you guys can see it, it has a low light and high light, of course, power saving modes, if you guys can see it. So right now, we're going to turn it up. We're going to turn it up right now, and it turns up, and then you put it higher, and it goes a little higher. You can't really tell during a camera, but easy to use this thing, and there is a loud to no noise at all right? So it does have a beeping sound, so if you're gonna be cooking or you're gonna be playing some games, or maybe you're playing some cards and you need a timer or something happening, this is probably the thing that you're gonna need. Now, to set up is easy. You can set up hours, minutes, seconds, and then clear and stop and then continue. So right now we're gonna do a couple seconds. If you guys notice, we're gonna 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then we're gonna hit start, and the timer goes. After the last timer, it's gonna start beeping really loud, so it does that beep, but you're not gonna capture in my actual audio here. But once you do that, it gives you more seconds of how long it was beeping for. You click here, and then you just click it here, clear, and it automatically goes away. Very simple. Now, it does have a magnet in the back, so you can connect this to any kind of steel or any kind of aluminum or area that you can magnetize. That's magnetized. It comes with 4 magnets, of course. And then it comes with this quick little stand that you guys can see it. So it could go on the side of it. You don't have to really just have it on the wall. It could just be sitting still, of course. And then the timer actually turns off a little bit when it's not being used. It conserves some battery. So simple, easy. And when you want to turn it off, just hit all the way to the bottom. There's a Type-C. They do give you actually charging area, but it's really small. It's like less than a foot long. So just make sure you're close to the area you're going to charge it. But once you charge it, this will last for months. I actually have one of these in our kitchen when we're cooking. Easy to use, easy to set up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, here we are. 17 seconds to go. We're going to go ahead and continue cooking. So right now we're at 12 seconds to go. It's still going, and the timer does turn off often, but you just hit the button, it will automatically come up. So we have 6 seconds, and that's where I'm actually going to stop cooking this in 6 seconds. And you're going to hear some beeping sound right there. There you go. Look how loud it is. And then goes the timer. If you guys see the timer, it's super loud that it actually moves the timer. So you can hit stop and automatically turn off. Now you're ready to stop cooking and ready to go.